In this video, you'll learn how to create a course structure and upload it to Udemy. By following these steps, you will be able to effectively organize your course content and make it available to students on the platform. Begin by planning your course structure. Start by outlining the main topics you wish to cover. Organize these topics into sections, with each section focusing on a specific theme. Under each section, create individual lectures that will explain the concepts in detail. This organization is crucial as it helps students navigate through the course more easily and understand the flow of information. Next, prepare your course content. This involves recording your video lectures, which should be clear and engaging. Make sure to also create slides that complement your videos. In addition to these, consider developing quizzes, assignments, or downloadable resources that will enhance the learning experience. Ensure that both video and audio quality meet Udemy's recommended standards, as this will impact student satisfaction and engagement. Once your content is ready, it is time to upload the course to Udemy. Start by logging into your instructor dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, look for the option to create a new course and click on it. After selecting this option, you will be directed to a screen where you can begin adding your course materials. Upload your video lectures to the platform, ensuring they are arranged according to the course structure you previously planned. After uploading, you will have the opportunity to add descriptions and learning objectives for each section and lecture. This information is important as it helps students understand what they can expect to learn from your course. Before publishing, review all your course details and submit the course for review. Udemy will check your content to ensure. Be aware that this review process may take some time. It is advisable to verify that your videos and materials are complete and formatted correctly to avoid delays. Additionally, check your internet speed during the upload process, as large files may take longer depending on your connection. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.